tiles. Now, these work really well. They work well because they're made out of silica. Where can you find silica?
Caves.
Close. You probably find silica in the caves. The beach. Beach sand. That's all silica. Have you ever been to the beach and the sand burns your feet?
Yeah.
What happens when when you put your feet underneath the sand?
It's warm. It's cold.
It's cold. Underneath that sand, it's nice and cool.
Even if it's winter.
Next time you're at the beach, do this. Wipe off this much sand, put your hand on it. It'll be nice and cool. Silica, that radiation from the sun, infrared radiation, cannot get through that top layer. It just bounces off the sand and right onto your feet. That's why it feels so hot. So we turn that sand into a foam and we cover this whole spaceship, the bottom side and these sides right here, with silica foam tile. With a glue that we invented. We just glue it right on. Up top, it looks like a blanket. This white stuff is made with quartz. Where can you find quartz?
Cave.
Okay, at the beach. More beach sand. It only gets like 700 degrees up there, so you don't need too much heat protection. What do you think these are for?
Oh, that's rust. Heat protection.
I think I heard one person say it.
I said rust.
Rust. So, remember, there's no air in space, so you can't use your wings to change your shape and move. So you mix two chemicals together, hypergolic fuels. No, it's not combustible fuel like your gas engine in your car. You mix those two chemicals, monomethyl hydrazine, dinitrogen tetroxide, mix them together, you get thrust. So if I got gas coming down this way, going down, which way does this orbiter pitch?
Up.
It pitches up. If I got gas coming out of here, shooting this way towards me, which way does the orbiter yaw? It yaws to the right. So you can make these two shoot down, and on the other side they shoot up, and the whole spacecraft will roll. So that's how you change which way this is oriented in space. Yes. How many people can fit inside this? Well, the first mission they only put 2. There was one mission that they had 8 people, but most missions had 7 astronauts inside. 7. What? Can it still fly? No, it can't. Because we can't focus on this and still explore.